Good morning. Today is Monday, November 30th. Time for a look at our day. Progress reports are going home today. We also have student assemblies today to discuss behavior and attendance. These will take place during PE/specials in the gym. The schedule will be as follows. At 9:10 to 9:40, Mr. Dew, Miss Brandy, Miss Day, Miss Valangen, Miss French, Miss Kerner, Miss McMillan, and Miss King will be going to assemblies. 9:50 to 10:20, Miss Coolis, Hightower, Kerner, Wakefield, and Lebo will be going to assembly. At 10:30 to 11, Carson, Heath, Dunsing, Whitney, Craig, Klett, Yanchunas, Owen, Cravens, and Denman. And finally, at 11:50 to 12:20, Montgomery, Cundiff, Phelps, and Curry-Varner. Teachers, take a look at the weekly to see the schedule again. After school, we have Project Success in the cafeteria, as well as 5th grade computer club from 3:45 to 4:50. Bring a charged Chromebook. We also have 6th grade boys basketball practice from 4 to 5:30. Remember, you need to wear gym shoes to be able to practice. That's all the time we have for today. We'll talk to you tomorrow.